Hi, good day to everyone. Today we will see how to backup and format and restore traffic node using configuration file. First we will see how we can take backup of a configuration file from a working traffic node using the Bulletproof FTP server, which is also known as BFTP server. So first we need to take a look at some things like that. If link is working, if we need to format or like delete all the configuration from traffic node, we should have all the data of this traffic node. It is better to have screenshots also, just to use in on safe side. Like we see what are the VLAN settings, we see the basic any configuration which contains the NE and DC and IP. Now I see that one MAC is coming for this 2001 VLAN, so I will see that which direction this MAC is coming. This MAC is learned from source port 1, which is LAN DCN port, so this means that this traffic node actively has no traffic and it is also not visible. So we can do our next procedure on this. We will first need to take the backup of this traffic node just to stay on safe side. This is the basic configuration of BFTP server. We have user account as anonymous, and also the directory we set where all the data is present or where we need to take the backup. So we go to site ID and configure. So first we need to close all the connections of this BFTP server, and again we will enable all the connections back again. So now we select our local SFTP server. This is the IP address of my laptop. Actually, I select the operation backup. Just let me show you how can I see my IP address of my laptop. Okay, 10.0.0.2 is my IP and .1 is the gateway. So .0.2 will be the IP which I will select for my laptop, so that all the data can be downloaded in my laptop and also can be restored in my laptop. So I click save, and now I will see that some lines start counting here. These lines means that traffic node is like ML or TN is now connected with my laptop and trying to save some configuration file which are like process of taking backup. And now I see that some lines are saved, some configuration file is saved. This configuration file contains everything, every like small bit of information, including the site name, the traffic node name, the basic NE settings, the IP, like O&M IP gateway, and VLAN DC and all the IP transmission like VLAN and radio link information like power setting, frequency, and each and everything is contained in this configuration file. So now we are finished with this backup step. We have saved the backup of this traffic node. Our next procedure is to format this traffic node, to make this traffic node as we received from factory. So we log in using the CLI, and password is whatever password set on your traffic node. And now I see this is ZRI570TN1. So there is one simple command to erase all the configuration present on this traffic node. Please note that now these days traffic nodes will not be connected CLI by putty software. We have to use built-in CLI tool of Minilink. We can see alarms using show space alarms command in the CLI. The command to format the traffic node is erase space startup dash config, and this command is taken. And next command is node code restart space node underscore code. This command will give a restart to the traffic node, and once traffic node is back up again, it will not be ZRI570, but it will be something else. It will be having the IP which it got from factory. Like all the user data is deleted from this traffic node, and we can say that this is received from the factory. It will be in this condition that we can say that it is received from factory. So we will see from here that if LAN connection is available, this means that traffic node is still up. It will take some time. Now we see that it is disconnected. This means that process of formatting and factory setting process is started. And also I can see that this window is also not connected. I see this this button for connect is now available. This means that it is disconnected now. This will take a long time, so I will make pause of the video so that video size is less. It is still disconnected, and I will make some more pause. Once I see the LED on the traffic node is green, then I will connect back. Now I see LED on the traffic node is green, but I am not able to connect using this windows because this old window was a configured traffic node ZRI570 and it is not connecting because there was some security implemented on this traffic node, so it was not connected. I will open another new window and then try again to connect again. Okay, there is wrong authentication or privacy protocol. I need to change this SNMP privacy to none because this DES privacy set was set once this traffic node was working on a network and it was active. But now this traffic node is new, just received from factory, so it will not be having any security. So we need to put this SNMP privacy as none. So it will be connected back again. Okay, window is gone, but new window is not opening. I think we have to open another window. Okay, let me. Maybe this is some bug that it is not. Okay, we will try by CLI also. See that now this traffic node name is 192.168.0.1. It is no more ZRI570. This is now a factory received traffic node. We can see that what happened to this traffic node last time. It was restarted by management, cold restart by management, and it became up 6 minutes ago. All detail we can see using the command show space variant. Still we are not logged in, so I will open another window and try again. I hope we log in now. LAN connection is enabled this, and it is transmitting, receiving some bits. This means that we are going to get a connection sooner, inshallah. This old window will not connect because old window was a encrypted connection. Okay, there it is. We are now logged in and we can see that our traffic node is no more ZRI570, but it is TN192.168.0.1. We can also see that there is no data, no site name, no basic any setting or visibility setting or gateway, like anything. We don't see any configuration in this traffic node now. So now we reach on this situation that we have backup, our backup, and we have like new traffic node. Now we need to restore it to a configuration file which we received from another traffic node. Remember that this method can be used for replacement of a traffic node also. So we see here that the last backup we had was tn.and.ip. So we will copy this name up to date, so that we see that how many backups are there in our FTP server. So we will go here, browse, and see that if BFTP server is able to get access into my laptop, and it is actually searching for the files. We can see here that there are some files browsing in my laptop. Okay, Now I will paste the file name which I copied from the FTP server, because I know that these files were pasted in my laptop by BFTP. So this is at 4 p.m. This is 409 and this is 403. So this 409 is the file which I need. I will select and I will apply. This apply feature will show me that what was the IP which was at time of this backup. It will also show me what are the cards working, and also what else configuration is available, like what were the slots of the MMU, if MMU model was MMU 3A or 2H. We can see that if configuration file is from another traffic node, we can see at this part that we are not loading the correct configuration file. Furthermore, it also has the date and time function. We can also have idea that if we are restoring this file is how much old. So here I will go down. Okay, here I can see that MMU 3A on slots 2 and 3 and only one PFU and backplane and NPU only. That's it. I will click save, and now we can see there is restore finished option and node is restarting now. All the data is taken by node and node is now restarting. Once it will come back up again, it will be again ZRI 570. It will no more be 192-168-0-1. It will take around 5 minutes because this is a complex procedure, so it will take some time, but it is very simple and very easy to restore the node to another place. I will just make some pause so that I can save the duration of this video. I can see that it is now connection is enabled. This means that I can log in into my traffic node again. I will try to refresh this, but it is not opening, so I will open another window. Just to check, old window is also not connecting. So I will put the password. Username is always same, control user, or we can also use admin user or view user, whatever is required. Okay, wrong authentication or privacy protocol. So SNMP privacy we cannot use because this node is again working. Now it is ZRI 570, so we need to put the required protocol, which is DES. We can also log in using CLI and see that our beloved node is back up again. Our test bench node actually, and we see all alarms back up again and ZRI 570 also. I am logged back in again. Just now about 4 minutes ago this traffic node became up and all the configuration is there. So guys, this is the procedure to format and restore of the traffic node. We can use this procedure to like change the traffic node, change the NPUs, or like any procedure which requires like format and configure or any similar steps we can use to do similar kind of works. Okay, thank you for watching video.